In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve NTS past paper question. The derivative f prime of z of complex f of z is equal to conjugate of z is solution, that is f prime of z is equal to delta w divide delta z is equal to conjugate of z plus delta z minus conjugate z divided by delta z. So conjugate z plus conjugate delta z divided by delta z minus conjugate delta z is equal to delta z by delta z. The limit of delta w divide delta z exists by letting the point delta z is equal to delta x delta y approach 0 to 0 in delta x plane. In particular, delta z approaches to 0 horizontally through point delta x comma 0. Then delta z is equal to conjugate of delta x plus iota 0 is equal to delta x minus iota 0 is equal to delta z. Then limit delta z approaches to 0, delta z by delta z is equal to 1. However, delta z approaches to 0 vertically through point 0 delta y. Then delta z is equal to conjugate of 0 plus iota delta y is equal to 0 minus iota delta y, that is equal to minus delta z. Then limit delta z approaches to 0 minus delta z divide delta z is equal to minus 1. Limit are not unique, so the derivative not exist. So option E is correct, that is does not exist. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.